Welcome to Ben Armstrong, Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. And who else is frustrated with XRP?
I'm not a financial advisor.
Man, I don't know what to say about it at this point, guys. I mean, I really don't. How long are they going to keep the manipulation up? And how long do we have to continue to look like idiots before something happens? I'm extremely frustrated right now. I got stopped out of my 30x long that I had from 51 cents. I took profit on it, then I went back in, and I already got stopped out once. So I am bottom fishing. But the fact is I was up almost $10,000 on the trade yesterday, and ended up closing it up 300. But I want you guys to understand that I'm trying to do one thing and one thing only. I'm not trying to make a profitable trade right now. What? That's true. I'm not trying to make a profitable XRP trade. Because you're probably looking at me and you're probably saying, you're such an idiot. You're up $10,000 yesterday and you didn't take the profits. Well, yeah, if I was trying to take profits, I would have taken profits, but I'm not. I'm trying to catch XRP at a bottom of a price it's not going to go back to probably ever, or at least if it does, not until the end of the bull run. So my strategy here, my bottom fishing, you could say, is much different than strategies that a lot of other people are using. Okay, so I don't feel bad about not taking the profits on that trade. Man, I wish I would have now, because knowing in hindsight that it went back down, of course, I wish that I had taken profits, and then I could have taken an extra $10,000 and put it in the trade. But instead, now I'm down pretty significantly after I got stopped out on the last one. So it's really frustrating. Of course, we've got our new trading show tomorrow morning where we'll talk a lot about this. And we do have our live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow's live stream is going to be a little bit different. Tomorrow's 12 o'clock live stream will be a little bit different. We're going to have some changes tomorrow. So I hope you guys come back for that. There's a dog barking because he just got stopped out or pawed out of his XRP trade. Don't get stopped out at fun. Make sure to go to Stake, the world's largest social casino. Funds, game, entertainment, chat, all kinds of things. You can't longer short there. How about that? That's fun. Make sure to get the QR code on the screen. Link in the description. Start your account at Stake. Armstrong Crypto X is powered by Stake. But guys, I was talking to Mr. X today. Mr. X, he simply sent me a message, and this is all it said. It said, "Are you frustrated with XRP yet?" I haven't even responded to him because the answer to that question is yes. He obviously, I'm sure he knows I was stopped out. I'm really irritated about it, guys, because I thought this was it. I really thought this was the moment here. And guys, when it comes to being frustrated about XRP, the thing is, all the TA was pointing towards up here. And the market's up today. At one point, Bitcoin was up about 1%. Ethereum was up 2.5%. Solana was up like 4%. Everything else was even. XRP's down like 6%. What? How does that make sense? How does that make sense? It's like every time, and look, guys, if you're in the XRP community, I'm bitching right now. I'm bitching about XRP. I am the master, the XRP army master and commander. Everybody knows that. The master and commander gets frustrated sometimes. And when it comes to XRP, I am just so frustrated with it, like a lot of you guys know. And I'm sure a lot of you are in the same place that I am. And the question is, when you're frustrated with this price action, when everything's up and XRP is down, guys, I'm venting, okay? Look, when that happens, okay, when the market goes up, but a project goes down, there's usually two reasons for that. Certainly it could be if it got horrible news, terrible news, okay? A hack, something, okay, maybe go down 20% on that. The other thing that can happen that could make the price go down on a day when things are up is you see it with prices like sweet, where it pumps so unbelievably high that when the rest of the market catches up a little bit, it retraces. That's it. It's like the only two times that happens for the most part. And we're talking about like not 0.5%. We're talking about, several percent, 5-6% in this case. So it is really frustrating to see the market in a place and to see XRP just struggling. We're not a security. We got all this news, and this is what I know, okay? The day that I give up on XRP, being the top coin of this bull run, will be the day that it's over and we look back and we would have to say we were wrong. That's how strongly I believe. And look, if XRP is at 50 cents when Bitcoin's at $100,000, I still believe that by the end of this bull run, XRP is going to go to the moon. There's just virtually no way that this doesn't happen. But that doesn't mean that in the meantime, it's not extremely frustrating to watch. And the fact I got stopped out of that trade, I just went back in again. Hopefully now, maybe catching a bottom. But at this point, guys, it is pretty concerning. If I get stopped out of this one, I definitely feel like it looks like there may be opportunity for the price to go down much further. But it's not going to shake my faith. This is what the market wants. The market wants you to shake your faith. The market wants you to sell your bag. The market wants you to trade on Phemex because it's the best place to trade. And it's also my exchange of choice. Link in the description. QR code on the screen. Trade at Phemex is our exclusive trading partner. Come on over there and join us. Take part in some SocialFi over there. We'll be doing that here pretty soon. But guys, the fact is that, if you are an XRP Army member and you are in this community and you're frustrated today and you feel like giving up, I get it. And I'll be honest with you. If you left, I probably wouldn't blame you. For me, I'm too committed to this to ever give in. You guys know. I'm gonna get an XRP tattoo, okay? Like, that's how serious I am about this. I'm committed to this, and I'm not leaving, I'm not selling, and I'm not giving up on trying to catch the bottom of XRP, because I think it's going to be the wildest bull run ever, and it's going to be the greatest trade in the history of crypto. YouTube. I believe that. I'm aiming. That's my goal. That's what I want. Just one trade. Just want one trade the whole bull run. I'll probably do some other ones, but I want one trade. I want to open, and I want to go to the moon, and it's going to be XRP. So you get just, the thing is the market wants to push out the last weak hands. And sometimes you think you're the strong hand, and then you give up, not realizing that that literally is the definition of being the weak hand, which means you were the last market participant they're wanting to push out. I can't sit here and tell you, I can't guarantee you XRP is going up. I can guarantee you I believe that it is, and I'm going to live and invest that way. But the fact is, it has not been easy here, and it never is. Look back at my crypto career. You go back to when I first got in Bitcoin in 2012. Everybody thinks I got rich, then I didn't. I didn't know what I was doing, and I sold it all like an idiot. And it was such a big deal. Then 2017, I wanted to jump off a building, knowing I could be a millionaire. I could, honestly, with the amount of money I had at the time, I could be a billionaire from what I could have bought. I was making very good money when I got into Bitcoin. But I didn't take it seriously. And in 2017, when I realized how much money I had lost, I was at a low and I was depressed. But I told myself, no matter what, I was gonna pull this opportunity back to me. And along that way, there were many times where I wanted to give up and where I watched other people give up. I watched people get completely out of crypto, completely in crypto, completely out of crypto again. Seen it several times. But for me, I see where the world is going. And regardless of what's happening on the chart, I know what's going on behind the scenes with XRP, and I know what's going on behind the scenes with Ripple. And I believe Ripple is probably somewhat complicit in suppression of this price. I don't see any way around it. They're gigantic holders. Who else is doing it? I don't know. There's got to be something that's got to give. Something has got to break. Something has got to give for XRP soon. I just can't foresee a world when in a month from now, we're still sitting here in the same place going, why us? Why is everything else moving? Why is Sui at all-time highs? Why is Solana just crushing it? And our beloved XRP is just still here at the back of the bus. It's sad. It's frustrating. But my message to you is just don't give up. I've seen people give up on these in these situations, and I don't believe that I'm selling you a dream. I don't believe that I'm selling you a mirage that XRP is going to pump and it's going to go up. I believe it with all my heart. And it's been frustrating because I really believe that this would be the month that it started. And maybe tonight at this very bottom of this market where I'm compelling XRP holders to just hold on, maybe this will be the bottom. The time, the last opportunity that people gave up. I really believe you don't want to be the person that gives up on XRP. I wasn't going to do a Cardano video tonight. Sorry. XRP is a little closer to my heart right now since I just got crushed in the trade. But Cardano people, I'm going to make a video for you guys probably tomorrow. Our Hex and Pulse Chain people got videos coming for you guys soon too. Guys, make sure to hit the like button on the way out. Helps keep the lights on. Be blessed.